Suture Planet is a suture manufacturing company providing world-class wound care products. We bring to you high-quality absorbable sutures and non-absorbable sutures with a wide variety of needle and suture combinations. With our top-notch customer services and customization, superior packing, quality, performance, and affordable rates, you can be rest assured that you are in the right hands. With a mission to combine aggressive strategic marketing with quality products and services at competitive prices to provide the best value for consumers, Suture Planet was established in the year 2013 in the Garden City of India, Bangalore. Our world-class production facility situated in the heart of Bangalore is well equipped with highly trained and experienced staff. Advanced machinery and technology producing a complete range of surgical sutures with high quality and excellent packing matching global standards. Our production facility is capable of producing 150,000 sutures per day and can handle bulk manufacturing, carried out in a cost-effective environment without making any compromise on quality. Our in-house production capability helps us to produce suture needle combinations as per the choice of end users. When it comes to packing, we leave no stone unturned. All our synthetic sutures, including non-absorbable, are packed in safe and easy-to-use peel-open aluminum foil for easy retrieval. Each of our products goes through 21 quality checks to ensure the absolute reliability and best results. The facility is fully equipped with automatic EO sterilizers, laboratory, printing, and packing facilities. Our suture production facility is certified with world-renowned CE, ISO 13485, ISO 9001-2008, GMP certifications. Our portfolio of wound closure devices includes surgical sutures, surgical mesh, skin stapler, surgical tape, etc. Suture Planet provides a full range of medical sutures, including general sutures, ophthalmic, and cardiovascular sutures. Suture needles are available with the latest alloy razor needles. Suture Planet manufactures antibacterial polyglactin 910 suture with antibacterial agent triclosan. Our team consists of highly dedicated and motivated associates who are competent in the area of their operation. The average experience of our staff is 8 years in sutures. We provide value to our customers, employees, consumers, and stakeholders. Suture Planet provides best customer service with our vast field force, distribution network, and back office support. We export sutures to major Asian and African countries, corporate hospitals, and international tenders and institutes, making it one of the fastest growing surgical suture company in the world. We are dedicated to providing world-class surgical sutures with technological superiority and manufacturing efficiency to ensure that every surgeon can feel confident when they hear the name Suture Planet.